So to start this project, you're going to need a head form, which you can find in my other videos, as well as some Loctite spray foam, the only foam that I suggest. So you've seen my mask making process, so we wrap the head in plastic and then spray it with foam. And then you're just going to make this kind of shape with your foam. You want the ridges because you're going to have like an open mouth with teeth. And here you can see me trying it on. So then you're going to take your spray foam and spray your black plastic with water like you've seen in my how to make your own skeleton video. And you're just going to make these shapes. Now the long shape is actually going to be your teeth. And then the other shape is actually going to be the leaves of the mouth. So here you can kind of see how the leaf will look. Now, to make teeth, you're going to need a lot of teeth for this. So I'm going to show you an easy method. So remember that long skinny roll that I made on the black plastic? Well, what you're going to do, and you'll see it here, is just rip off a section maybe an inch long, and then just roll it in your hands. Quick and easy teeth. And like I said, you're going to need a lot of teeth for this project. And this is the easiest method I've found to make these teeth. Now here, I started gluing in the teeth, and I just used hot glue. And then you're going to glue your leaves to the top of your head. So you can kind of see the process. It looks kind of like a crazy bunny at this point, but you can see all the teeth. And again, just use hot glue. So here I've added all the leaves to the mouth around the face and just added in all the teeth. And again, just use hot glue. Now you can really see it starting to take shape. Here's a view of the backside. So once you get that done, take it off your head form, and then you're going to coat it with Plasti Dip. Now for the eyes, I just use the kitchen gripper mats you can get at Dollar Tree. And just cut them into shapes that's going to cover the eye holes. And then you just start painting your mask. And you can kind of see some of the details here. I painted the teeth and added a lot of detail. And it looks pretty awesome. And you can just use acrylic paint to paint this. Nothing fancy. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Have a safe and happy Halloween, everyone.